you're probably thinking, why do I have all these things hanging around my neck and wearing my fancy golden bow tie? Well, this video is all about wearing a Wasndas. Wasndas is a German term that I basically came up with that would be literally translated as a what's a dat? Was that? Something like that. And it basically means wearing something that makes another person want to talk to you. So it could be something as simple as wearing a fedora. Actually, wearing this golden bow tie has led to a bunch of people talking to me and complimenting me on my bow tie. I use this little kid's toy from my son that sometimes goes traveling with me, or simply a name tag and customizing your name tag with something that is unique if you're attending a conference or something like that. And the great thing about all these things is if somebody else notices it, because you stand out from everyone else and it represents something about you that tells a story of who you are. Like somebody asking me about this might lead to the story of me sharing that I'm a new dad, some of the recent challenges I'm having. If the other person is also a parent, maybe they are even familiar with this type of bird, of this toy, so we connect really quickly. And stories are really what connect us. So whenever you have a conversation, if you can find a quick way to tell a story about yourself or ask people questions that will lead to them telling stories, that's how you create the best and strongest connections with people. And another Wasndas would be any printed t-shirts, tattoos, anything that you show visibly to other people that tells them, ooh, this person might be part of my tribe. Like if you wear a Metallica shirt and you meet another Metallica fan, you're gonna hit it off so much faster than if you wear a blank shirt and nobody knows what type of music you listen to when you attend a festival. Make sense? Then go off, go to your closet, go to a store and find some props and things that you can use and wear at your next event.